Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. Resistances N, each of R ohm when connected in parallel, give an equivalent resistance of capital R ohm. If these resistances were connected in series, the combination would have a resistance in ohms equal to option A, R by N squared, option B, R by N, option C, N into R, ऑप्शन डी N squared R. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है रेजिस्टर्स कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज एंड पैरेलल. सो इफ वी हैव n रेजिस्टर्स, अगर हमारे पास n रेजिस्टर्स है, फॉर n रेजिस्टर्स हैविंग रेजिस्टेंस R, तो हर एक रेजिस्टर का रेजिस्टेंस अगर R है, देन फॉर सीरीज कनेक्शन the equivalent resistance यहाँ पे for series connection it will be R1 plus R2 etc plus Rn. अब क्योंकि सारे के सारे resistors का एक ही value of resistance है, so this will be N times R. Similarly for parallel connected, तो यहाँ पे 1 by R equivalent will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus etc 1 by Rn. Again क्योंकि सब रेजिस्टर्स एक ही रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू का होते हैं, so this will be equal to N by R, या फिर we can write the R equivalent for parallel connection as equal to R by N. तो अभी इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं हम उसको नोट करेंगे. Given the resistance of n resistors, तो उसको छोटे r से डिनोट किए हैं. The resistance for parallel connection so that they have given as capital R. तो हम अभी we will make use of the formula for n resistors connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistance for parallel will be small r by n, और उसको ये दिए है कि it is equal to R. Therefore, we can say the value of each resistor in the n resistance connection is equal to n into capital R. Next, we know that कि series resistance series में जब connect होते हैं, the resistors will be equal to, the equivalent resistance will be equal to n times R. So substituting for R यहाँ से, so it will be n times n into R. So the equivalent resistance, the same resistors when they are connected in series, ये value होगा n squared R. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क कर सकते हैं. So if these resistances were connected in series, the combination would have a resistance in ohms equal to, so we are getting the value as n squared R. So the correct answer to this question is option B. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.